In this video, I want to share with you 10 free Pi Day prompts and 100 Pi Day cross niche ideas that you can use for your merch on demand business. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print on demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch on demand and other print on demand platforms. If you like this kind of content, you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those 10 free Pi Day prompts, just want to do a quick sales update for merch on demand. So today is Monday, February 24th, 6:24 a.m. in the morning. No sales yet. Yesterday was actually not my best day. I think it was actually my second worst day of the month. Ended up only doing 22 sales, $23 in royalties. I think I did have like 5 or 6 returns as well. Yeah, so that didn't help me either. But that is going to put me at 953 sales for the month and $1,203 in royalties for the month of February. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch on demand and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like family pics, gym pics, entrepreneur pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. All right, so we got Pi Day coming up, and this is a big niche every year. I remember when I first started off on merch on demand, this niche actually didn't exist, but about 3 or 4 years ago, it started, and ever since then, it's really started to take off each year, and it's coming up. So it's going to be Friday, March 14th of 2025. Now, if you don't know what Pi Day is, let me just show you real quick. So this holiday is on Thursday, March 14th, since 314 correlates to the first 3 digits of the mathematical constant. Math enthusiasts around the world, from college kids to rocket scientists, celebrate Pi Day on Thursday, which is on March 14th, the first 3 digits of an infinite number with many practical uses. So this is more for teachers, math teachers, science teachers, math nerds, things like that. It's basically the first 3 digits of the number pi, which is 3.14. So those are the type of keywords you want to use in your listings. But let me go ahead and share with you the prompts that I made, or what the designs look like on my ideogram page. So here they are right here. So the first one, let me get my face out the way, is going to be this: bro, it's Pi Day. Now, if you've been noticing on merch on demand, you can basically take any holiday that's coming up and just cross niche it with bro. And usually, that is a good recipe for success. I've just been seeing that starting to trend with all, holidays. So just think of the next holiday that's coming up. We got Easter, we got Cinco de Mayo, things like that, 4th of July. And you could probably just put, bro, it's 4th of July, and, have a good chance to get some sales. Here we got can't stop, won't stop. That's because pi number is infinite. Some of these are pretty funny. So pi, my password is the last 8 digits of pi. That's a funny one too. Very confusing password. Irrational but well-rounded. That's another funny one. Just here for the pie. Now, this is a very popular phrase. We see this so many times with all types of food niches. It's kind of like a play on words. So instead of saying just here for the pie that we eat, just here for the number pi. So that's a clever phrase right there. Just a simple happy Pi Day. The boho rainbow, always does well, especially for these teacher niches. And then here we got be irrational. It's Pi Day. So kind of like a funny, sarcastic design. Born on Pi Day. I saw a lot of these. This is actually another really good a way to kind of attack these holidays is to just cross niche the holiday with people that are also celebrating their birthday. So here we got born on Pi Day, and then we got 2 more, just a simple happy Pi Day. And then this one right here, they call me Pi because I'm irrational. I don't know when to stop. So again, kind of making fun of how pi is infinite. And then you can get these for free. I'll show you how you can download those on my PayHip shop. But what I also did is I also used my GPT in my SKOOL community, link in the description if you're interested, on 100 cross niche ideas. Because a really good way to attack these holiday niches is to cross niche. You got to get really specific. So here is a Word file. Now, this is not for free. It is on sale. Again, I'll show you. It's only $250, 50% off today. But right here, it's going to be 100 Pi Day crossover niche ideas. And so what this Word file is it's taking Pi Day and it's cross niching it with over 100 other evergreen niches. So right here, if I just scroll down to the bottom, you're going to see there's 100 of them. And let me just share with you like the first 7 in the health and wellness. And these are actually pretty clever. This GPT does a really good job. So the first one is taking Pi Day, cross-niche it with healthcare. So like nurses, for example, it says Pi is the best medicine with a doctor's stethoscope. I can never say that, stethoscope, forming the Pi symbol. Here we got Pi Day cross niche with yoga. Find your inner piece of Pi. I thought this was very clever right here with a person meditating inside a circular Pi symbol. You know, this is funny because it's a piece of pie like you're eating, so it's a play on words there. And then it's a play on words instead of saying like piece that goes with yoga, it's piece of pie. So very clever design phrase. Next one is going to be keto diet, Pi the only carb I count on 314 with the Pi symbol made of bacon and avocado. Weightlifting, lift heavy, eat pie, featuring a barbell with weights shaped like pies. I would wear that. That's a funny one. Next one is taking Pi Day, cross-niche it with people who are vegan. So plant-based pie with fruits and veggies forming the Pi symbol. That could be a good graphic design one. Vegetarian, powered by plants and pie with a giant broccoli pie hybrid. And then 7, get well recovery, healing takes time, and a slice of pie featuring a Pi symbol and bandages. And I have 100 of these. So if you're not that good at like coming up with original ideas, or if you don't want to do just like these copycat designs right here, which there are a lot of, you can get this Word file right here and you can come up with these like original cross niche ideas where you're taking Pi Day, you're cross niche it with like health and wellness, you're crossing it with like family relationships, food, animals, paranormal. There's a whole bunch of these like very well-known evergreen niches that you can cross niche it with. Now let me show you where you can download all this stuff. So if you go to my PayHip shop, the link is in the description. So this is my PayHip shop right here. And what you want to do is you want to click on these categories at the top. So to get the free prompts, you just go to free prompts right here. And it's going to be this one, the last one where it says 10 Pi Day prompts. You can get that for free. You can also shop around to get some other free prompt ones like this video that I made yesterday, 10 Easter egg inflation prompts. And then if you want to get the cross niche t-shirt ones for Pi Day, you can just click on that category tab, and right here you can see there's 100 Pi Day crossover t-shirt ideas. It's $5, but today 50% off. Only $2.50. I also have one for St. Patrick's Day as well. And then if you just want to shop around, you can also get like some bundles, take advantage of the sale, like this one right here, 500 evergreen prompts for only $12.50, 175 sports prompts, wall art prompts. I'm starting to like branch out and even do like Tumblr wrap prompts as well. I'm going to make a video about this later this week. And then some other ones that would make sense would be these holiday prompts. So we got, you know, what do we got here? We got Mardi Gras coming up. We got St. Patrick's Day coming up. 4th of July, well, that's in a few months, but here are some holiday ones that could make sense for you. And then also some monthly prompts. So here we're going to have like 100 prompts for April, 100 prompts for March, and I will be making 100 prompts for May, I believe, this week. But yeah, so if you're interested, go ahead and click on that link in the description. It will take you to this page right here, and you can get free prompts or any other prompts that might interest you. Now let me go ahead and show you my shop. Not my shop, my SKOOL community. So I just started a SKOOL community. If you don't know what SKOOL is, it's basically like a paid Facebook group, but on steroids. It's actually really cool, really easy to use, and offers so many features. So if you decide to join my my SKOOL community, it's called Mikey's Daily Niche Vault. And what you get, the main thing that you're going to get is every day you're going to be getting niches. You're going to be getting trendy niches. You're going to be getting evergreen niches. And you're also going to be getting prompts that go with those niches that you can use for your merch on demand business. Let me show you like an example of that. So the other day I put out this post, and it's every day, always right at this time, right around 6 a.m. is when I put it out. So let's see, a week ago, these are the niches that I recommended. So it was 1 trending and 2 evergreen niches. And here you can see, so he who saves this country, I believe Trump said this in some speech. Then I have these 2 evergreen ones, and you can see it comes with the name of the niche, and then it also comes with the link, so you can see a similar design that is selling, so you can see that this niche is converting. And then here it comes with the prompt that you can use on Ideogram. But then you're also going to get access to all of my GPTs. Now you do have to have a paid ChatGPT account. Plus account is $20 a month. But these are the 4 current ones that I'm offering. I probably will be adding some more. They just kind of take a little bit of time, but like this one right here is really valuable. It's an SEO keyword vault. So this, you can just upload a design or even a keyword and it will give you a listing with a title, brand, bullet 1, bullet 2, description, just loaded with keywords. I'm actually going to put a video at the end of this video so you can watch it, or you can just go to my channel. But I also have one for t-shirt prompts. So if you don't want to do the same design that everybody else is doing, you can just take that design and you can upload it into this GPT, and it will actually give you 9 like new fresh ideas, new prompts that you can use. This one you can use it to get keywords for your ads, and then this one, this crossover, this is the one that I actually have been using, that I just shared with you on how I got those Pi Day crossover niches right here. And then I've just been adding these like additional like value videos like on how to do your A to Z prompt creation. Like I take you from, you know, taking the prompt, how to design it, how to upscale it, how to get rid of the background, and then how to upload it, and then how I write my listings. And I plan on adding a lot more of these kind of value videos. And then like the more that you engage, comment, like, and you know, make posts, you get points, and the more points you get, then you get these prizes. Basically it's like gamification. So you get, you know, 30 St. Patrick's Day prompts. These are free once you reach a certain level. So that's what SKOOL is. And then we also do a once a month Q&A on Zoom. So we got one coming up actually this week. So if you're interested, the link will be in the pinned comment and in the description. It is only $24 a month or only 80 cents a day. You can cancel at any time. So, you know, maybe give it a try, see how you like it, see if you're getting value from it. And if you are getting value, you know, you can stick around, or if not, you can just go ahead and, you know, get your money back, or not get your money back, but you can cancel it if you don't like it anymore. But that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure you watch this video right up here about my GPT for your merch on demand listings. Okay, have a great day, everybody. See you on the next one. Adios.